Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to stop clipping in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you're not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play. You have your audio recorder right here and so on. So guys, let's go ahead and see how we can get started with stopping clipping from our recordings. The first thing I'm going to do is open up the audio recorder option right here. That's going to open up this new recording menu where at the top of the screen we have the big red circle for recording and our options right here. What you want to do is go right here into the upper left corner, click this middle button. That's going to open up this edit mode, and in this edit mode we are going to have this mixing options where you can find all the tracks that we have. As you can see here, my audio recorder right here as well, and now I can see how to get started clipping and stopping clipping from the audio. So basically guys, if you have your clipping sounds enabled and you do not want to hear clipping when making your audio, this is what you can do. So basically what you can try is go right here, click on the icon next to the track right here. That's going to open up this new menu, and one of the options is going to be called automation. So once you open up the automation guys, this is going to enable you to automate the level of noise in your recording. So you can use the options that you have right here to get started recording, so you can lower the decibels a bit to get your desired effect so that you can no longer hear the clipping sounds. Let's click on done, and what you can also do is click on the track and then click the sliders option right here at the top of the screen. Here we can go ahead and get started with scrolling down and finding the plugins and equalizer. So once you open the plugins and equalizer, you can open up the visual equalizer, and here again you can get started with reducing the noise that you can hear, so you can lower the decibels until your clipping noise is reduced and you can no longer hear it in your tracks. But yeah guys, basically that's what you can do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.